This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your new Apple Watch Ultra. Let's start with the basics of navigation. You'll primarily use the digital crown and side button to move through menus and apps. A key feature is the customizable action button, which you can set for instant access to your most used functions. Remember, the Ultra boasts a durable titanium case and is water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it incredibly robust for any adventure. Moving on to its powerful health and fitness capabilities, the Apple Watch Ultra is packed with advanced sensors. It can track your heart rate, measure blood oxygen levels, and even monitor your body temperature. For fitness enthusiasts, it offers comprehensive workout metrics across many activities, including specialized features for water sports and diving. Plus, its enhanced dual-frequency GPS provides incredibly precise location data for all your outdoor explorations. Customizing your Apple Watch Ultra is simple and fun. You can personalize your watch face with numerous complications, displaying information like weather or activity rings, and choose from many stylish designs. Staying connected is effortless with its built-in cellular capabilities, allowing you to make calls, send texts, and stream music directly from your wrist, even without your iPhone nearby. You can also pair it with a wide range of accessories, including specialized bands for different activities. Finally, let's talk about the Ultra's impressive safety features and durability. In an emergency, you can activate the powerful siren, which emits an 86 decibel sound to alert people up to 180 meters away. The watch is built tough with a durable sapphire front crystal and a raised edge for extra screen protection. You'll also appreciate the extended battery life, providing up to 36 hours of normal use on a single charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.